Welcome to Global Garner.
Global Garner Universal app is a way to shopper's paradise with products and services like mega brand, online shopping, local vendors, bill pay and recharge, franchisee, resale, matrimony, bus, flight and hotel booking, and many other services you can think of. While the world is in your pocket, you can also save when you spend on your daily expenses through us with 3 cashback options. The first option is IC, where you get 2% to 10% instant cashback. The second option is SCB RPP, which stands for a systematic cashback random pick process, where you get 2% to 100% cashback or a reward in a month through random selection and get GG coins instant. And if you can wait more, get assured 100% cashback through SCB FIFO, which stands for Systematic Cashback First in First Out process and get instant GG coins. You can transfer your cashback into your bank account. Also, you can use 5% of your GG coins on your bill amount of our selected vendors. Earn by referring your friends and family. You can earn 10% of cashback received via referral. You can earn by referring vendors too. Earn rewards when they register or generates a UPV. Now, what will you choose? Shopping without Global Garner and getting a guaranteed zero, or shopping with Global Garner and getting a guaranteed cashback or a reward?
Continue watching to understand how SCB FIFO, the 100% cashback, works at Global Garner.
Now, let us see how cashback works at Global Garner. When a buyer purchases a product from the seller, the buyer pays the amount to the seller, and in return, the seller gives the product to the buyer. And this cycle continues forever. Now, what does Global Garner do? Global Garner is just between the buyer and the seller. When the buyer purchases a product from his favorite seller through us, seller gives commission to the Global Garner, and Global Garner gives cashback to the users through 3 cashback options. Now, you must be thinking how Global Garner gives cashback to the users. Global Garner gives 100% cashback to the users through copyrighted algorithm called systematic cashback process. Once a user does a cumulative shopping of 10,000, a specific number UPV, that is user purchase value, is allotted to him. The bills are auto-tracked by the system, but in some cases the bills are to be uploaded. After the seller approves the bills are further sent to the cashback cycle, and cashback is given in 3 installments. With every UPV generation, you get movie vouchers worth ₹200 and instant 10,000 GG coins. And the best part about our ecosystem is neither you have to do any additional shopping after your own UPV generation, nor you have to refer to any of your friends for your own cashback. This is an automated tagging system. When 6 UPVs are generated under your UPV, you get ₹500 as cashback. When 36 UPVs are generated under your UPV, you get ₹1,000 as cashback. And when 216 UPVs are generated under your UPV, you get ₹8,500 as cashback. And to your surprise, you get additional ₹10,000 by GG coin conversion when 1296 UPVs are tagged under your UPV. You get cashback as GG money, which can be transferred to your bank account. Now, let us learn how tagging system works. When UPV number 1 comes into the system, tagging is done horizontally in a cluster of 6 UPVs. UPV number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, total 6 UPV will be tagged under UPV number 1, and UPV number 1 will get ₹500 as cashback as its first installment. Kindly note that these UPVs are generated globally and independently. The best part is that you don't have to do anything except generating your own UPV and shopping from where you were shopping before. Every 6 new UPV generation will influence ₹500 cashback to any UPV in the system. When UPV number 8 comes into the system, it gets tagged under UPV number 2 because the system works in a bunch of 6 UPVs. So, when UPV number 1 is generated, 6 UPVs are tagged under it, and when UPV number 2 is generated, another 6 UPVs are tagged under it, that is UPV number 8 to UPV number 13. So, UPV number 2 will receive cashback of ₹500 as first installment. After this, UPV number 1 will get ₹1,000 as its second installment, as now 36 UPVs are tagged under it. Further, UPV number 14 to UPV number 19 will be tagged under UPV number 3, and UPV number 3 will receive cashback of ₹500 as its first installment. In the same way, UPV number 20 to UPV number 25 will be tagged under UPV number 4, and UPV number 4 will receive cashback of ₹500 as its first installment. and this cycle will continue forever. Now, this horizontal level is completed when group of 6 UPVs are tagged under each UPV. Going further, UPV number 44 to UPV number 49 will be tagged under UPV number 8 and UPV number 50 to UPV number 55 will be tagged under UPV number 9. So, UPV number 2 will get ₹1000 as its second cashback as 36 UPVs are tagged under UPV number 2. This may take some time, but something is always better than nothing. Sooner or later, the amount which you have spent on the daily expenses, you are getting it back. You don't have to buy anything from us, but from your regular brands. Now, you must be thinking that if we give 100% cashback, then how we earn? When purchase is done through Global Garner, we get commission from the respective vendor, and the commission varies from 5% to 20%, depending upon the category of the product. Let's talk about 5% commission. Whenever a UPV generates, we get 5% as commission. 5% commission of 10,000, that is 1 UPV, is ₹500. Here we get 500, against which we give ₹200 movie vouchers. When further 6 UPVs are generated, we get ₹3,000, against which we give ₹500 to UPV number 1. So, when 36 UPVs are generated in the system, we get ₹18,000 as commission, from which we give ₹1,000 cashback to UPV number 1 and ₹500 cashback to 6 UPVs. In total, we give ₹4,000 as cashback. So, when 216 UPVs are generated in the system, we get ₹1,08,000 as commission, against which we give ₹8,500 to first UPV, ₹1,000 to 6 UPVs and ₹500 to 36 UPVs. So in total we give ₹32,500 as total cashback. So first UPV has received 100% cashback. When 1296 UPVs are generated in the system, we get ₹6,48,000 as commission. Against this, 10,000 GG coins are converted to GG money for first UPV and ₹8,500 cashback to 6 UPVs and ₹1,000 cashback to 36 UPVs and ₹500 cashback to 216 UPVs. Therefore, we give ₹2,05,000 cashback in total. Now the total commission received is 7,77,500 and the total cost of movie voucher given to every UPV is 3,11,000. So total cashback given is 5,53,000 and we are still left with 2,24,500 with which we manage our operational cost. So it's a win-win situation for all. No mandatory referral chain, no mandatory shopping after UPV generation, no risk, no change in product or cost. So, what do you prefer? Shop and forget or shop and earn? The choice is yours. For more information, visit www.globalgarner.com.
Thank you.